Hey, so today we're going to make the 5-inch rose using the type B templates. The difference between the type A and the type B templates. So as you can see, this is like one by one. And then this is already formed. They're already connected. The big difference between the two, of course, is that this takes time because it's like you need to attach it one by one compared to this one is already attached, so you save time. However, so the downside of this is this would take more paper. So the type A or type 1 template is perfect for as fillers. So as you can see, it's like I have lots of them because I've got numerous larger templates. These are just the fillers, and I won't waste the tiny spaces in the paper that I can, and this paper or these pieces right here I can eventually make into a filler flower or this flower. But the good thing with this is that it saves you time. So if you have extra papers or if you are just going to make this, so I highly suggest using the type 2 or type B because they will save you time. Okay, so let's begin. So we're going to fold. So first step, of course, is we're gonna curl our petals. So I actually got 3. So usually, so the rose technique, it's like first 8 you're going to do this, and then you have the last 2 petals. As you can see, you have the last 2 petals like on this side. It's like this is your bud, and you have last 2 petals right here. But with the type 2 or type B, we're going to use like 4 of these because we have like the last one. And to make it easier, you have a similar type of petals. So now you've curled them all. The last one, you're going to do the same. So this curves outward. You're going to position your dowel here and then push on the opposite direction. Same and same. Okay, so if you want your curl, your edge, your curl on your edge more pronounced, so kind of repeat it. And this is petal 2. So same curl. So what I'm gonna do is curl the edges first. Position in the middle on the opposite side. Then curl it on the opposite direction. There. Last pair. Again, flip it and then curl the middle. And there you go. So you actually save time with attaching things because these are already attached. So let's proceed with assembling. So choose your first bud or your inner bud. So form a cone and then grab your glue gun with glue stick. Sorry. So put glue on the edge right here. And put glue on the edge, put glue on the edge, and then close it like this. I've put glue in all of the edges, so hold it. So make sure that it's already stick. So one way to test it is like pinch on the opposite side. So this is good. Okay. You have the option to cut the edges, so there won't be any hindrance or resistance when you close your petals. So grab your last petal one and then attach it. So you do have the option if you want to make it like similar to this, wherein you only have like 2 pieces here. So that's how you usually do it. You have the option to cut this, to cut the 2. But for this one, let's try it with all 4. So because I have 4, so I'm gonna attach it like very near. So let's begin with this one first, since we've finished off here. So very near here, like this. Like that. And then you have the option to curl the sides more. I like mine really curled. So cut the edges so you won't have those edges sticking out. Grab one of your petal tools. So attach it. We're gonna attach it. So we're not going for the in-betweens. Let's go for like the same direction for now. Oh, by the way, so you are saving hot glue also because you're not attaching every petal into it. It's already attached. So more glue stick save or hot glue save. So the more paper you're wasting, the more paper you're using, the more hot glue you're saving. So just put it that way. And also time, of course. So you're saving time. Okay, so the next petal 2. So we're gonna position it in between here. So, like this. Like this. So just make sure that it's positioned like in betweens, because compared to the type 1 or type A, you don't have the liberty of positioning each petal where you think they're supposed to be placed. This one, it's already pre-positioned for you since it's already attached. So just make sure that it's positioned where you would want it. So I would actually attach these edges here, so that would be a good guide. So make sure that it's positioned where everything should touch these edges. So I think I've positioned it good. So let's begin. So wherever, since yeah, wherever you want to start. So I'll just choose this side. So you see right here. And let's get the petal 3 last, the outer petal. So position it also in between. So say similar to the petal 2 or the second petal. So position it where, like, in between here. In between here, I mean. So I like where it is positioned. And then I'm going to attach the edges. Close it. I want to close it like this. So you can pinch it like this, so your petal will be like, you see that? It has more depth. Okay. So grab your last petal and position it in between. And let's attach it. So you can also close it like this, so by pinching where you've placed the hot glue. Pinch it right here. Okay. Okay, so we're done. So let's compare it. Type A or type 1, type B or type 2. So the difference is with this one, you can control the position of the petals with the individual ones. So as you can see, I was able to make this rounded. This is a bit squarish because it's like the petal is already attached, and then there's not much to control it. Otherwise, you cut the petals, each petal, attach it like similar to this one. But if you want speed, if you want efficiency, so I'd go with this one. If you're just after like filler petals, so this would be perfect. So thanks for watching my tutorial. Thank you so much. Till the next tutorial. Thank you.